In this video, I am going to talk about Dr. Lal PathLab. So, is it right time to buy the Dr. Lal PathLab? We will also do the fundamental analysis so that we can understand about it in a detail. So, when you will buy and what the level you need to be think about it when you are buying. Okay, so is it this stock can be a multi-bagger? So, I will talk about all these things in this particular video in detail. So, no need to worry about it. First of all, you need to read this disclaimer after pausing this video. And in the previous video, as I suggested that when there will be a right time or when I will buy, then I will make the video for you guys as well, so that you can get profit and good time to enter the stock. So you can notice that I suggested that 8 quantity you need to buy, and total of 8.36% of my portfolio I will invest. Okay, so this will also help you for your financial freedom. Or only I am making this video for a long term, not don't invest for the intraday or for the short term swing trading. No, if you are interested in long term, then you can buy Dr. Lal PathLab. At that time price was 24,000 something, but right now it's a lesser than it's around 22,000 something. That's why I am creating a video. Now here let's talk about in detail, and first of all we will do the fundamental analysis. Now what is the business behind the Dr. Lal PathLab? Actually they are doing the business on the laboratory or testing related thing. So you can notice that there are the various testing, right, test by condition, allergy, fever, lots of things. So due to the health in India, in a day by day there are lots of testing is required. That's why Lal PathLab can get a good benefit out of it. Now the market cap is 19,000. It's mid cap company, it's good, and because of the huge potential to grow in the next coming years. Book value is 139 and current price is 2,287. Face value is 10. So and they are also providing the good dividend. It's great. Now promoter holding is 55. It means if any stock having the promoter holding 50 plus, it means you can consider a good stock, because there are the other criteria as well, but it's a good if any stock having the 50% promoter holding. Now if you will talk about their 1 year chart pattern, then you can notice that according to the moving average, 50 days moving average, current price point is the below the 50 days moving average. That's awesome, and that's why I am creating the video as well. However, according to 200 moving average, it's the price will be around this one 2,000 something, but we are not sure this will touch at this level or not, because currently due to the most of the stock and good stock trading at high level, definitely you can't say that it will come at this level. So definitely you can say that this can considerable price to buy the stock. Now the pros, some of the important pros highlighted is pros is that company is almost debt free. So if a company is debt free, then it's a good advantage. A company have maintained healthy dividend payout, so they are also providing the good dividend. That's a good thing as well. Now the cons is that stock is trading at 16.48 times its book value. So this is the cons, but if you will think otherwise, then you can notice that due to the huge trust on this company or public, that's why they are buying more than the book value. So it doesn't seem more cons. Okay, so 16.48 times, it means public have a trust on this stock, so it's a good signs as well. Now if you talk about the competitor, their next competitor and number one is on their list is the Apollo Hospital. However, Apollo Hospital is a hospital, it's not a laboratory. right? But in the laboratory or testing segment, you will notice that Dr. Lal Path Lab is number 2. So next competitor is directly number 2, and Dr. Lal Path Lab is not comes from the, the proper full-fledged hospital. It is a testing or laboratory. That's the interesting thing. So it's you can see it's the number 1, right, in the testing. So in the hospital, Apollo Hospital is number 1, but for the testing, Dr. Lal Path Lab you can consider a number 1 in the listed company. Now, if you will talk about the ROCE, which is a 32%, that's awesome here. Okay, and the sales growth is also increasing. That's good. Now let's check the another thing as well. There are lots of balance sheet. So the summarize all these things. If we will discuss all these things, then video will be longer. So to making the video shorter, just talk about only some of the important thing only as well. So compounded profit growth is that you can notice here 19% or 13% in the 3 year. So you can say that it's not much. The profit growth is not much, but in the next coming years, definitely this stock can perform better. It's have a speculation, and the CAGR return is awesome. You can notice that 23% CAGR over 5 years. So they maintain a good CAGR, and the last 3 years it 36 and 1 year 39. So it's not only 1 year they are increasing or providing you the good return, but as compared to the 3 years or 5 years as well, the CAGR is awesome. So you can say that if CAGR will be increased in this rate, or maybe 20%, let's say 20%, then also you will get a good profit. Okay, only the 20%. So do you know that 20% return in any FD you are getting? So definitely it's very difficult, but this stock can provide you the 20% return on each year, and only invest for 1 year, only invest for a long term only. Now the other shareholding pattern 50% you can see, but you can notice here that at the 2018 March 2018 the promoter holding was 57.42, but now they lesser their stake in this stock. So promoter holding is decreasing. That's also it's a bad indication, but maybe due to increasing their business they are getting and reducing the stake. Okay, so I hope you understand about Lal Path Lab. So what is the best time to buy the stock? Okay, so let's talk about these things in a detail. So as per the fundamental, you can say the fundamental is average, not so strong or not so weak as well, but seems like a good future growth. That's why I'm saying that you can buy this Dr. Lal Path Lab. Okay, that's why I am recommending. Now the technicals. What technicals saying? Technicals saying that right now a 10% fall is happened. Okay, technical saying that RSI value is 43. It means this is the best time to enter. So if you will enter at this level, then it's maybe in the short term you will expect more fall. Okay, so seems like there will be a more fall, so you can expect this RSI value multiple times they touched, so the fall will be happen. So if you want to enter and buy this stock, then this is also considerable as a good price point to buy. Or if you wait a little bit, then maybe the lower valuation, if you find it a lower valuation, so they can touch this level, this support level, and that will be a good time to buy. However, no one knows when this touch. Maybe it's happened that reversal will be started, but if this will be more down tomorrow or today, then definitely you can consider to buy this stock Lal PathLab. So there is no harm because you are buying this stock for a long term, so there will be no harm if you will buy the stock at this level as well. However, you need to wait for some times if it will come down. If you don't have much cash right now, then you can wait to fall little bit much more, then you can enter in the stock. Okay, so now you understand about it. If you will talk about the return in 1 month, it's 2.72%. In 1 week, around 8.6%. So due to the huge fall, I am recommending to buy this stock at this price point. 1 month it's in the fall is there, and 1 year you can look at the return, it's a 38%. That's good. And for 3-year return, it's 151% return, and for 5 year it's 173% return. So that's awesome. So definitely the graph shows it's a upper side or upper side movement. So next coming years maybe the trend will be continue. So I hope you understand. If you face any problem related to this, then please let us know. Thank you for your support.